everybody. Say, this is Dakota in the pocketbook. Honey, look at Dakota in the pocketbook. Watch, I can carry him in here. Here, Coda. Hi, see? I carry him like everybody else. Like I carry my Tauntaun. In the pocketbook. What are you doing in Mommy's purse? Huh? What are you doing in there, Cookie? You silly bird. Whoa! Get Megan.
Oh God.
Go ahead, get Megan.
The bad part.
This is Dakota, and he made his way out. Get Cookie, you want your handbag? He made it out of his pocketbook, see? And now he's over there. Oh, I like the way you say peekaboo, Megan.
What?
Alright.
Whoa, why is he so close to me?
Hi, Will. What are you doing? Alright, now Dakota made his way out of his bag. Here, Cookie. And there he is again. He's gonna... Ow! The end.